The moon is no longer just a silver light in the night sky. In the year 2026, the lunar surface has become the most valuable real estate in the solar system. We are currently witnessing a high-stakes international competition to build the first permanent human habitat on another world. Forget about short visits and planting flags, because this is the dawn of the lunar city race. World powers and private corporations are pouring billions of dollars into technology designed to turn moon dust into concrete. The prize is total dominance over a gateway to the stars and the immense resources hidden beneath the cratered surface. From autonomous building robots to massive rocket landing pads, the transformation of the moon is happening right now. This is the story of how humanity is preparing to become a multi-planetary species. The primary target for every space agency is the Lunar South Pole. This rugged region contains deep craters that have not seen sunlight for billions of years. Inside these permanently shadowed regions, scientists have discovered massive deposits of water ice. Water is the gold of the space age because it can be broken down into oxygen for breathing and liquid hydrogen for rocket fuel. A fuel station on the moon would allow spaceships to travel to Mars and beyond without carrying heavy loads from Earth. NASA is leading the way with the Artemis program, aiming to establish a sustainable base camp by the end of the decade. The mission utilizes the Space Launch System rocket and the Orion spacecraft to ferry astronauts to lunar orbit. From there, the SpaceX Starship HLS will descend to the surface, carrying the pioneers of the first lunar colony. Building a city on the moon presents engineering challenges that would break any traditional construction company. The moon has no atmosphere to protect inhabitants from solar radiation or high-speed micrometeorites. Temperatures fluctuate wildly from 200 degrees Celsius in the sun to minus 180 degrees in the shade. To solve this, engineers are turning to 3D printing technology that uses lunar regolith as raw material. Massive robotic arms equipped with high-powered lasers are being designed to melt the gray dust into solid stone structures. These lunar houses will likely be covered in thick layers of soil to provide a natural shield against the harsh space environment. A close-up view of a 3D printer head shows the intricate layers of a futuristic lunar dome taking shape. Inside these domes, high-tech hydroponic gardens will provide fresh food and recycled oxygen for the residents. The race isn't just a government project, as private enterprise takes the lead in lunar logistics. Companies like Blue Origin are developing the Blue Moon lander to deliver tons of cargo and heavy machinery to the surface. Axiom Space is designing modular space station segments that can eventually be converted into surface habitats. The goal is to create a lunar economy based on mining and scientific research. One of the most sought-after materials is helium-3, a rare isotope that could power clean fusion reactors back on Earth. Estimates suggest there are over 1 million tons of helium-3 embedded in the lunar soil. This resource alone could provide enough energy to power the entire world for over 1,000 years. A mining rover with large treaded wheels is shown scooping up the ancient lunar dust for processing. Communication is the next hurdle in the development of a lunar city. A constellation of satellites is being placed in lunar orbit to provide high-speed internet across the entire moon. This lunar network will allow robots and humans to stay connected with mission control on Earth with minimal delay. Nokia is even working with NASA to build the first 4G cellular network on the lunar surface. Astronauts will be able to stream high-definition video from the bottom of deep craters directly to the public. This connectivity is essential for the safety of crews working in one of the most isolated environments known to man. The Lunar City race is also a battle of international alliances. While the United States leads the Artemis Accords, China and Russia are collaborating on the International Lunar Research Station. This rival project plans to establish a base in the same resource-rich South Pole region. The competition for the best landing sites and water-rich craters is creating a new era of space diplomacy. Space law experts are currently debating how property rights and mining claims will be handled on a world with no borders. The moon is becoming a mirror of the geopolitical tensions found on Earth. Despite the risks, the benefits of a lunar city are undeniable for the survival of the human race. The moon will serve as a testing ground for technologies required to settle on Mars. It provides a low-gravity environment for manufacturing high-purity crystals and advanced medicines that are impossible to make on Earth. The low gravity of the moon, which is only 1/6 of Earth's, makes launching heavy satellites much cheaper. A massive electromagnetic railgun could eventually launch cargo into space without using any rocket fuel at all. The moon is the ultimate high ground, providing a clear view of the entire solar system for giant telescopes.